All right, hello and welcome right here with clickmill.co. In this course, we are going to be talking and just learning how to use Google Search Console. And in this video, we're just going to start with the basics. What is Google Search Console? It is a free tool offered by Google that is going to help you figure out with your client sites why you're showing up in Google so well, or why you're not showing up in Google, why you rank on the Google search results pages the way you do. It's going to help you isolate problems that are keeping you from ranking and solve issues essentially in your website that are going to affect your position on Google. So that's the essential idea of Google Search Console. Now, I do want to point out this is going to be an analytic program. So you're going to be looking at a lot of numbers throughout the course of this. It starts maybe a little overwhelming, but once you get it, it's pretty easy as you get more comfortable with data. So if you're already pretty comfortable there, then this will be easy for you. Now, I will tell you that this is different from Google Analytics, which is what most people think of when they think of analytic software. So with Google Search Console is going to be measuring how many people are seeing the website, your website or your client's website out on Google. So when someone types in, best dog haircutter, dog groomer near me, whatever shows up in Google is what we're tracking with Google Search Console. When you have Google Analytics, after they've looked you up in Google and clicked on you and then went into your website, Google Analytics is going to track everything that they do in your website. If they're signing up or watching videos, time on page, all that stuff is going to be Google Analytics. And we'll save that for another course. And this one we're doing Google Search Console, which is going to be tracking how many people are seeing your listings in the Google search results, how high you're ranking, how frequently they're clicking on you, and giving you insights and ideas as to why you're maybe not appearing the way you'd like to be, or problems. Why did all of a sudden all the traffic disappear from Google? And what are the problems? Oh, my whole site got kicked off Google. Well, why did that happen? So this is outside your website in Google results, why you're ranking the way you are. This is Google Search Console. I will see you in the very next video.